Hello guys, we are going to be playing something a little bit called Chicken Farm. So I have $5 and I have to go buy a chicken. I have one basic chicken. Does he make $5? Let's see. Makes how much money does he make? Let's see. He makes that's $160. Ooh, I got 4 eggs. How much do I have now? $640. That's a lot of money. Now to buy 5 whole things. Let's merge them. We have 2 ducks. And our goal is to get to this one right here, 750 trillion for Rebirth 2. We can buy 25 eggs. Oh my gosh. We have a bee. Whoa. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna deposit these eggs. Oh, I got plus 7 eggs? Whoa. Wait, I can do that? Oh yeah. Yeah, get those out. Oh my gosh, so much money. Whoa, I have so many ducks. I have a duck, and I have a dirt. The 2 best are mushrooms. What? And they make 300 a second? That's insane. So let's get the deposit eggs on 1.3 multiplier. Let's see here. Whew. What? Wait, what is this? I have almost $1 million already. That's insane. And we've only gotten like 3 minutes into the video. And that's insane. A 1.5x. Whew. Makes that many eggs. Wait, we already have 3 million? Wait. Guys, we have our first lucky block. What is it gonna be? We got a bee! Yay! Merge it. We have a dummy! That's a very high level. Okay, now we're gonna try to get the next level beyond dummy. What is it gonna be? I don't know, but let's see. Can we buy 100? Oh, we can buy 100. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. What the what now? Why do we have a freaking villager? Okay, wait. What do we have? What is all those? I don't know, but we've only unlocked basic, duck, dirt, bee, mushroom, dummy, goose, and villager. I wonder what's after villager. We can get another one of these. Open it up. Got another bee. We merge? No, we can't. But here's the good thing. We can just buy another couple of more hundred. 1.11 multiplier. What? Wait, times 160? Wait, what? says times 160 cash. So yeah, we are standing over this for a minute. Oof. Wow. Wait, we have a blue lucky block? Wait, what? We can get another villager. Villager, come on, villager. A dummy. It's okay. At least you can merge them. Well, what to get next? Probably the one after villager. Oh, I just now noticed how much money I have. That's insane. What? We got the one after villager. What is it? What is it? What is it? Fat? 60,000? Oh my gosh, you're a fat. Insane. I cannot do it on 0.73 multiplier because I'm gonna lose some eggs. We got dummy. Okay. Now we should probably try to get the one after fat. Let's do it. It's okay. Let's try to get the one after fat. Let's go hit the 100,000. I mean 100 in a second. What is after fat? Let's see. Oh, I ran out of money. No. Wait, I have 1.25 million eggs? That's insane. It says I have it says I have 10,000 eggs. 0.79 multiplier? Wow. That is not good. Pull off joke and never do that funny. Lucky. Okay, we may not get to do this one first try though, but I don't know, we might, because we have the whole 160x multiplier of cash. That's insane. Oh, come on. It has to be 0.91 and not just at least like 1. And we might as well just see what this one is. I want a villager, I want a villager, I want a villager. Villager! Wow, merge them. With your 1.08. What? What? How do we already have almost like a billion? We literally almost have $1 billion. I can stay on this 100 for as long as I want. It's insane. Okay, let's try to get what's after fat. Wait, we got it. What is it? It's a fried chicken? I mean, where's the fried chicken? Hum yum 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 yum. Hum yum 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 yum. We got fried chicken. We're gonna eat up good in that. It's just a joke. Okay, let's try to see if we can get the one after fried. What is it gonna be? Jeez, it's taking a while. Oh, I see mystical aura fried chicken. Probably the best chicken in the whole world. Mystical aura. Okay, I ran out of money. But we have 2 fried chickens? Make me money, fried chickens. I need the money. 0.53, oh come on. Oh, we sure can. Oh, we got a dummy. Not a dummy. Not a stupid dummy. It's just a dummy. Okay. 0.53. Okay, that says 0.5 now. I'm just gonna bring you guys back when it says like 1 point something. Guys, I've been waiting here for 2 hours and it still hasn't been on 1 point something X multiplier. This is insane. Guys, it's been 5 hours and it finally turned 1.5, 1.15. Let's put these in quick. Oh, we got a lucky block. I'll unbox that in a minute. First, we gotta put these on. And 1.60x? What the? Put this on a gumbit. We have a couple billion bucks. Well, that's nice. Oh my gosh, there's so many chicken eggs. It's lagging out my servers. What is this? A snowman and a cactus? What? What am I gonna get? Fried chicken? Let's see. We have a snowman! Okay, let's go see what the snowman looks like. It's a little snowman chicken. He has little like arms, like a snowman. He has a little like hat, a carrot nose, and buttons, and like 2 buttons on his belly, and then 2 eyes, made of buttons. Yeah, it's just like a natural snowman. Oh, guys, I'm stuck in the ceiling. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay. Now it's staying. Okay. Jeez, it's going by quick. 10 million, 6 million, 5 million, 3 million, 2 million, 5 million, okay, and that's done. What is this? Wait, guys, we might be able to get a cactus. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Dang it, we got it fried. Okay. Let's just keep collecting and keep depositing. Okay, we got another 1.56 eggs. I mean cash, This is 4.1 million. I bet it can be over a billion. No? Okay. Lucky block. Let's see what it is. We got a bee. Yee. B is your B. Okay, 4.31 million. Wait, can we get the next level? Wait, what? What? Oh, there's no way. Oh, there's no... Would we just upgrade that by 2? Let's get 25... 20... What? That's insane. What? Wait. Beat a mushroom. Never thought this day would come. Oh, come on. Back at the 0 points. Not again, not again, not again. Not again, no. Yeah, I'm trying to get to the rebirth of the right now, but it would times it by 125 cash, and then I would get plus 2 new buy tiers. But I'll need a lot more money. Jeez. That's insane. Oh, we can merge it now. Well. Okay. Red. We got a red lucky block. That's new. A villager? That's the least common. Or I mean the most common. What? We have 2 snowmen. That's insane. I want a cactus. We need 100 bees. Actually, I don't know how many What? 1.x16? Oh, come on. You gotta be serious right now. You can't be serious with me. Is that 1.5 the most highest I can get? I've been waiting for that for hours. Okay. Okay, so gonna keep collecting. Okay, whatever. Okay, 3.78 million. Okay, it's taking a while. Ooh, it's at 4.47. We gotta collect all these eggs and then go instantly to there. We'll unlock this lucky block later. Whew. That's cool. We're 1.5. We still have a lot of chicken eggs. That's a lot of chickens. What? Wait. What? 40 billion? Jeez. Let's unblock both of these at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we gotta please wait. And Pam. Oh, we got a villager. We got a cactus. Let's look at him. He's glowing. Like the desert hot. He has spikes. Ow! And he has like a chicken beak, just like a chicken, and the little chicken beaks. Ew, he's fat. And then this one has a Minecraft villager face. This is just a goose, normal goose, normal goose, normal weird looking dummy thing. And then we have a bee chicken with little stripes and wings. Same here. And then we'll see what we get next. I think level 13 is gonna be a yin yang. I just have this random feeling. A yin yang. I just sounds like a weird name. Whew. Gotta get on the 1x26, not the 1x. Look at that thing go up. Wait, what? What? Wait, we did it. We need 1 million eggs? I mean chickens? Whew. Wait, what? That's how much 25 eggs are? Wait, what? That's a lot for 1 mushroom. Okay. Screen's fine. Yep, we're good. Okay, I think we should deposit. But yeah, by the way, guys, this is my controller I've been gaming on. It's an Xbox controller. It's a blue one. Right there, it says Xbox. Yep. Okay. Let's go and collect them. Oh! 1.5x multiplier. There you go. Yes! Whew. Multiply that. That's insane. Okay, let's just wait for these to go all the way down. Did I just see these? I'm just gonna ignore that. Maybe this is my Louisiana accent. Or there's gotta be a Northern New Yorker accent or something. Okay, I think the chickens are crowding. Oh my god. Wait, what is this? What is a chef? What is a yin yang? What is a skeleton? What? Yin yang? We don't need none of that basics anymore. We got a rainbow and that's insane. We got a freaking yin yang. What is a yin yang? Black and white, distorting looking eye on this side. Looks like Venom taking over a chicken. Yeah, this is Venom taking over a chicken. It's gotta be what that is. What's a high number? Let's put that in. Okay. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you want to know what I sit on while I game like this, I don't sit on my couch. Okay, we got a yin yang. Wait, how much does yin yangs make? 15 million? Oh, 0.85, no likey like. Hold on, guys. Okay. Wait. Okay, I think that's a good one, like angle. Okay. Let's collect these chicken eggs, or whatever they're called, eggs. We're almost at 1 million eggs. 41. Yeah, we gotta go collect all these eggs. That's insane. I don't know, 1.5x multiplier twice? Okay, now that's insane. 2, 1. It stayed 1.5x multiplier? What? That's different. Wait. That says 1.34 billion. And what is 160? Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Can you see that? $160 billion? What the what now? $400 billion? Jeez, let's just collect the eggs first. All the eggs, let's go put them on the multiplier. Okay. What? Okay, we got the yin yang. Let's see it in the index. Where's the yin yang at? Okay, it's right there. And then next is a skeleton, chef, the mailbox, and a painter. Jeez. Okay. I'm grinding on this. Point something million is on there, but yeah, that's a lot. Wait, 400? Bring that back up to billions. I need the billions. How many billions do I have now? And a lot, but not enough. 1x12 multiplier? Yeah, that's a little bit higher. That's 7% higher, but that's insane. Put the thing on. Wow. That looks like a charm. Put these on as well. Let's collect. And then let's collect again. Oh, come on. What is this? What is that? Yin Yang makes so much eggs. 15 million eggs every time it poops. Oh yeah, these chickens looks like they're pooping. Because like the Yin Yang. Oh! When are we gonna get another Jackie block? Not Jackie block, a lucky block. We're so close to the upgrader. Come on, 3 billion more. We can do it. To goose. Oh yeah, I want to see this one. $160x multiplier. What? Wow. 160x multiplier. Jeez. Okay, we got the yin yang. Okay, do this. Gotcha. It's a lot of dummies. Nope, nope. Oh, there we go. With 2 yin yangs? Oh, we gotta do that again. I don't like that multiplier. Let's go like 5. Let's go by like a little bit. A little bit. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh my gosh, yes! Oh yeah. Oh, that's so many yin yangs. Got a duck? I don't want a duck. I don't want a freaking duck. We have another snow. Wait, I have a lucky block. Wait, we have 2. I want this red one right here. Hopefully you're fried. Villager. Okay. I'll take it. Ooh, 1 pound. Yeah. Okay, I think we got a mishap here. Okay. Oh my gosh, so many chickens. We got another one. We got another rainbow. You guys know what it is, but I don't. What is it? It's a cactus. What? Why is it a cactus? Error 1.36 billion. I can get more eggs than that. Merge. Oh! Okay, we have a skeleton. It looks like just a normal skeleton with a dead chicken head, and it's like sandy, like old deserts. Yeah, nah. Like a barrier. Okay. And there's the skeleton. Next, I think we have what do we have next? Index, chef, and mailbox, then painter. There's a bunch of like I don't knows, but I haven't even unlocked any of these. I haven't even unlocked these 3 yet, and I don't even know why they're there. Yeah, that's insane. I'm using my progress. Come on, go up. Oh no, you didn't. No, you didn't. I know you didn't. I see you, 0.71 X multiplier. Oh, no. Ew, why did I put my thing in there? That was disgusting. I'm taking this as disgusting to best meal ever. Yeet. Wait, a royal lucky block? What is even that? We're saving that for it. I want to save it for the Royal Lucky Block so bad. But we can get a painter on here. Wait, as long as you have the Lucky Block, I think that's why. Oh, that's why. Wait, no? Oh, it's back at 0.73. I'm gonna this is disgusting dinner. I don't like it. Ew, 0.73. Disgusting dinner. No. I don't want it. And BOE, another person cooks you something. And here we go. Here's the totally good stuff. I love it. I like it, but I don't love it. Maybe we're gonna get on 1.5x. 1.5x is the most loving food ever. That's literally what it is in real life. Word. Dirm, what a sigma? I say Dirm, what a sigma? I say Dirm, what a sigma? I say Dirm, what a sigma? Hado, 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 that guy. Like this. Okay, I think we're all good there. Like for skeleton. Hello. Hello. My shut. Maybe if I can. I can't wait. I mean, get to it quicker. Ah, dang it. Thank gosh I didn't do it when that was on there. I would be nowhere in the light. I am in the light. With 160x multiplier.